So now let's see how we can work around with keyboard shortcuts inside of Trello. So here we have our Trello board, and let's say we want to navigate around and do something, and to do it more quickly you can utilize keyboard shortcuts. So where do you find them, and how do you know what keyboard shortcut does what? So in order to search for keywords, see what keyboard shortcuts are, you can simply go on to the name icon right here, and then you can go to shortcuts, and the list of options available for you pops up. So you can go around and you can see that there are a lot of them right here. So let's say, for example, right over here, there's like navigate card. So you can use the left arrow, down arrow, J or K as well, and the right arrow. So let us try that out. So here you have your card just like this. So if you were to use your arrow keys, you can see that this little icon right here changes out. So now if I were to use the left arrow key, right arrow key, you can change that out. You can use the down arrow key and up arrow key as well. You can also use J and K right over here to go up and down just like that as well, as mentioned in the shortcut. So simply go over here onto the shortcut, and let's see the other one right here. So here there's like open header boards menu. So if I were to go over here onto B, you can see that the board menu gets opened up just like this on the left side once you press B. Let's go on to other options right here. So let's go around into shortcut, and there's focus search box, which is a backslash right over here. So if I were to press the backslash, there's the focus search box right over here. So that just pops up. Now let's go around here onto shortcuts, and there's archive card. So you can go around onto this card, let's say for example, and press C. So that card has been archived. So you can go around here, press C, that card is archived. Go around here, C, that's archived. So that's as simple as that. Similarly, let's go over here onto other shortcuts as well. So there's due date, and add in due date. Go over here, press D, and due date option pops up, and you can add in the due date right here. So let's go around, see some more. There's like add checklist right here, which is the dash key right here. So if I were to go around here, and if I were to add in dash key, the checklist option pops up just like that. So over here, let's go around and see other shortcuts. So let's go to shortcuts, and there's dash key, there's quick edit mode. So if I were to go around over here onto E, there's quick edit mode that pops up just like this. Let's go around here onto shortcuts again and see what other options we have. There's like quick edit mode, which we looked, and there's close menu and cancel editing. So if I were to go over here and press escape, that's closing menus. This is like that. That's another shortcut. So we took a look at close menu, and there's save text right over here, which is command control or enter. So to add a card, type something, press enter, that's save text, just like this. So let's go around and see some more. So just by learning the shortcut, you know a lot of the things as well. Open the card is enter. So instead of clicking, you can just press enter. The card gets opened up as well, just like that. So you go around, and there's like open card, and there's open card filter menu. So if you were to go to F, then you get the search bar over here onto the right for the filter menu. So you can select different filters just like this. Let's go around and again onto shortcuts, and let's see. So we see labels right here. Pressing I opens up the pop-up of the available labels, and you can press 1, 2, 3, 4 to choose one. So let's go over here onto not I but L, and then it opens up the label just like this. So let's just go around back onto our board. So I seem to have us went somewhere else. So let's go to L, and then you can press 1 for completed, 2, and so forth, as you can see. So you go for 3, 4, 5, and that label will pop up just like that. So that's another handy shortcut that you can work around with. So let's go around and work with some more. So there's toggle label names, which is the semicolon right here. So if I were to go over here, there's label names. You can see that it actually minimizes and maximizes once I press the semicolon. And then if I were to go over here onto shortcut, let's go around and see some other things as well. So there's like toggle names, there's add and remove members. So if I were to press M, then it adds and remove members just like that. So if I were to go around here, just like that, press M, and then you get the member information there. So if I were to go over here again onto shortcut, let's see what other options we have. So we went till M right here. There's insert new card and of course move card, that is the less than greater than sign, and these signs accordingly. So you can go around here, move the card by pressing the less than and greater than sign as well, as you can see. So you can just hover over and use the right key, right and left greater than, smaller than and greater than sign to adjust that out. So let's go around on to shortcut again. So there's insert new card. So N, just press N and a new card is entered. Just like that, you can enter a new card as well. So let's just go around again and see some other shortcuts. So we did till here just like this. There's other cards filter like there's my cards filter, press Q. There's like my cards, only your cards will show up if you were to press Q, just like that. Let's just go on over here and see some other shortcuts as well. So we saw till Q. If you want to add in watch to certain cards, you can just go over here, press S and you added in watch. So let's just go over here and just like that. So we completed till S right here. There's assign self. So if you were to press space, then you assign yourself onto that particular task as well. So let's just go on to more shortcuts. Let's see, there's assign onto self. So space is done. You can edit the title and vote as well. So let's go around on to edit the title, press E, then you edit that out. So you just go around here. So let's just go around on to edit title. So let's go around T, that edits the title, just like that. So you can see that a lot of the things can be quickly just sorted out. So you can see that what happens. So to vote it out, press V, just like that. So you can go around and work around with that as well. So let's just go around on to shortcuts again. So let's see some more which are available. So there's toggle boards menu and clear all filters. So if I were to go to W, it toggles all the board, and V filters out, like clears out everything. So let's just go around on to filter, select this, and if you were to go around on to the shortcuts, let's see like what is there. Clear all filters is X, so X clears out all of the filters, just like that. And that is how shortcuts actually work out. So you can just go out to the shortcut list and then work around with it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.